We are live. I think my OBS was having trouble. I was gonna start 30 minutes earlier, but it is what it is. All right, what am I feeling? We're not dropping frames, are we? No. This is wrong. This isn't the current bit rate. Alright, anyway. On list. Edit. Goodo. Cool. All right, what are we doing? I want to do work on the heroes, I think. We brainstormed, we came up with 3 last stream. And I want to actually do them now. It's a pretty important part of the actual game. So, and then after this, after we finish these, it'll be the biome stuff. GB's been doing some work on refactoring. Homing projectile class for arrow and missile. Right, that's smart. I think this music's really loud. Give me a second. Hey GB, what's up? Yeah, that music was really loud. Sorry about that. Okay. Right. So where were we? Let's just make sure it actually works. I don't have any models for like the hero or anything, but I mean, I'm just gonna put like a cube on top of this for now. I'm thinking. Maybe change it up a little bit. 3D, we've got our castle. This is not a scene at the moment. And then the script. The health is stored in the castle. The reason the health was stored in the castle was because potentially you have multiple castles. But if that's the case, then this needs to be changed. But I'm not sure yet. Hey, DP Doc. The hell is being printed? Sprint. Here we go. All right. Anyway, we've got our castle. It has a collision shape. This is sensing enemies that walk into it or somehow. What group is this? It's a castle. All right, that's fair. It spawns a tile under it. This is like the starting tile too. Okay. I mean, I think within the castle it should like spawn your hero. But regardless, let's save this as its own scene. Where is this going to go? Probably under scenes. And then a folder called castle, I guess. Enemies, level, mod items, projectiles, tile related, tower related, UI related, specifically debug UI. Okay, yeah, that's fair. I don't know where new folder is. Here it is. Wow. Let's call it castle. And let's save branch as scene, put it in scenes castle. All right. Let's open this, and here is the castle scene. I want to take a chop out of this. Something like that. All right, now if we go back to test, it's a little shorter. And in this, I'm just going to put like a cube. Zanzep, thanks for the YouTube sub. If you're listening, that is. You're making it your goal to watch every stream I do. Nice. Hey, Armand, how's it going? No matter the risk. Okay. That's funny. Okay. The castle is going to spawn the hero, maybe? Or do I just have... it doesn't really matter. I mean, it literally doesn't matter. Okay. Honestly, the hero should just be here. Let's think about this. So let's assume we have one castle. It's fine. This hero will be in the castle. Should I have like one hero that will change depending on which hero you choose? I mean, they're gonna be like no, because all the abilities are gonna be like crazy. The abilities need to be modular because yeah, I definitely should not put them all in the same script. I mean, I have no reason to. So if the abilities are modular, this hero thing should be modular as well. So I'm going to have just one hero object. So let's add a child. Let's make this a node 3D. And this is going to be the hero, okay? In scenes, yeah, let's save the hero. Save branches scene. Scenes, create folder, hero. And maybe this is called the base hero. All right. So we have the base hero. And this thing is going to have a model, and it's going to have abilities. And which abilities it has depends on what you choose in the pregame, like pregame setup. Base hero. Wait, that is a joke, right? Like based. Or do you mean base hero? You probably meant base hero. Oh, wait, no. Oh, no, you definitely were joking. Okay, because I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, family-friendly content. How's it going? It's going well with me. I've been really busy this week. but it's going well. You apologize for asking for help with the project. You were very unprofessional. You were just looking to help people and have something to do. Hey, it's all good, dude. You should work on your own stuff. Build a portfolio. I think that's where you should start. I'm the reason you started the project you're working on in Dreams. Nice. What are you working on? That's awesome. How's it going with you, family? Friendly content. I hate your name so much. FFC. Your name makes no sense. Oh God. Okay, we have our base hero. Let's just start with the model, I guess. Mesh instance. You're doing well? That's good. All right, what shape should this guy be? I think it should be different shapes depending on... Okay, yeah, it should be different. So we have our mesh instance. Sure, I mean, we can literally just leave it like this and manually load different models in depending on which hero we have. Okay, we have our script. I mean, maybe we have some function called like load hero, and then you'd input like the mesh, and then the 3 abilities or 4 abilities or whatever I decide, whatever I end up doing. Donut. Yeah. I like that. The model is going to be, what the frick is this going to be? A mesh? Is that a thing? That's a thing. The model is a mesh, and then the ability. Oh God. Okay, so let's say we have these nodes that are abilities. How are they displayed? I mean, obviously these should be like their own class. Let's... Got it. Okay, I got it. So this is going to be an ability. And then this will have its own script, and this will also, in it, have like an icon. Oh, we'll need a resource too for this. And then the icon will, like, each ability will dynamically add its own icon to the ability bar. So this is fine. So attach a script. Yeah. Hero ability, or should the abilities be stored under hero? I don't think so. I think it should be a new folder. So this is abilities. Although now that I think about it, the hero, I mean, this is the hero, like, has the abilities. I think this should be... So we have the hero, and then we have the archer. And then in the archer folder, it's we'll have the archer abilities, and then also the archer model. We'll go here. And the archer resource and stuff like that. Okay. Yo, Mega Blue, thanks for becoming a member. I really appreciate it. Hell yeah. How's it going? You're making an open world RPG with multiplayer capabilities featuring your friends as the main characters? What do you mean multiplayer capabilities? Have you been working on Towercraft much off stream? So that's a great question. The only stuff I do off stream that's related to Towercraft is like debugging stuff and maybe some refactoring stuff. GB does a ton of refactoring. That, and then I do a lot of like the game design. I don't do a lot of that on stream. Now, last stream was an exception to the rule. Towards the end, we took like a half hour and designed some heroes, and their abilities. But yeah, so off stream the game design and also the creating like the devlogs and footage for that and the videos for that. But the actual development of it, I have done on stream completely. Oh, are you FFC? I mean, how am I supposed to know that? Well, hey, thanks. I like Mega Blue. That's a much better name. Thanks for becoming a member, dude. I appreciate it. Yeah, but anyway, what was I saying? Right, so that's the kind of stuff I do off stream. But yeah, okay, on stream, I do the development. So I like all these streams are in the playlist, so you can actually watch the entirety of the development on YouTube. Oh, you're making a local multiplayer open world RPG. Wow. You could change costumes on the character. Nice. Okay, that's you, by the way. All right, cool. Shouldn't the resource store the model? Yeah. The resource can have a reference to the model, and the model will be in here. Yeah. I want to store all the models in one folder, I think. So we'll have... Wait, the resource stores the model? I'm not really sure. I feel like oh man. I mean, each ability will not necessarily have its own model, but each hero will. Okay, so you're saying like the hero resource will store the hero model, the reference to it. Yeah. But then each ability, I think, also needs to have its own resource. Holy shit. Well, that's one thing at a time, I guess. So load hero, you input the hero resource. How the hell? I forgot how to make resources. Do I need to make like a hero class first? So, new script. Wait. I forget how to make a resource. Okay, let's try that again. New script. Hero class dot. What did I do? I give up. Turret class, mod class, sure, okay. And then class name. And this is literally all it is. Okay. That makes sense. So let's see. Hero. New script. Hero class. That's what I was doing, for the record. Template. Class name. I can't set that. Inherits. No, it does not inherit resource. Excuse me. Wait, what does it inherit? Oh, it should have been, it's just node. I knew that. I knew that. Hero class. All right, so we're just going to create this. So we have our hero class. Class name is hero class. And then we just have a bunch of, what is it? Exports? Yeah, just a bunch of exports. And then you use this class to make, oh, it extends resource. Shit. Oh, right. Okay, I just have to reload everything, I guess. It needs to extend resource. Okay. That's okay. Yeah, in the related folder, so everything for okay, so don't. Yeah, I know it's mixed. That's what I've been trying to do, like all the scripts with the associated like model and stuff. Yo, Mega Blue, thanks for the
Turn this into MMO, please. Thank you.
Thanks for the super chat, dude. Turn this into an oh my god. I mean, I think that's an interesting idea, like an MMO where you like spawn things. I mean, instead of like cast abilities. I know MMOs have like abilities that can spawn things, but I mean, maybe you're probably thinking of like, yeah, Towercraft Survival. I think you're thinking of like Rust or games like that. That's kind of like an MMO. But yeah, I know right now it's mixed. I've been trying to move away towards what I was doing at the start and just put everything together. But the models, my thought process with that is like, there's going to be a ton of art. And like to try to find, like to have all this crap mixed in with everything else, I'm not sure I like that. But like with that said, I think that does make sense. Just to put everything together. I mean, look, with the models, there's only like 3 things right now. So, but yeah, so like enemies, in the enemies folder, you'd store the script and well, there would be no script. You'd just store like the model and maybe some effects or something. Well, I'm not even sure. Damage number should well, I was gonna say UI, but I'm not sure. World of Towercraft. Oh boy. Do I have a main story for the game? Sort of. It's not like super fleshed out, but the idea is like you're some like magical elven civilization that you're like literally like ascending to, not ascending, but you're trying to build like a kingdom in the clouds by like terraforming, like raising chunks of land. And something, well, and the thing you're trying to get away from, well, when you raise the land, it's bringing these like corrupted monsters with it and something. But that doesn't explain the portals. The portals might as well just be like fog of war kind of thing. Yeah, I'm not the best one to ask about that. Okay, the hero class. So we definitely want the resource. Wait. No, this is the resource. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Hold on. What is being stored in this? The model? What else? Isn't that it? It's just 3 abilities in the model. Does this need to be a resource? Well, now I'm really confused. It's not, well, not the model, like this. Oh, there should be like animations. Oh my gosh. Wait, why did you link this? Oh, you had an idea. So you could determine what each item is an icon displaying the type next to it. I don't see your example. Oh, do you mean like this? Oh. Huh. We were thinking the actual shape of the item changes, but that's... I mean, I don't see how this would work because our items are icons, not text. This is text with an icon to the left of it. Okay, I don't think we should have a hero class. We should definitely have an ability class, though. I think. Jesus, maybe not. I mean, they definitely will have some things in common, right? Like the icon. And whether or not it's a passive. But everything else it's going to be so custom. Like, these abilities can do anything. I mean, okay, I guess we can... It extends... It's not a... It extends a resource? This isn't a resource. That doesn't make sense. It just... Can we just extend node? Okay, so... What's the first thing? The icon... We're definitely going to have an icon. Is this a node path? Is it a texture? Is it an image? Does that even make sense? How do you... Well, okay, how did I do it? I've already done this before, so how did I do it here? Oh. Ah, all right, let's do that. Oh, it's export file. Yeah, okay. Right, so we're in the hero class. We're renaming it ability class. I did on ready as well. I'm out of it right now. Holy crap. All right, export file of our icon. Yes, every ability will have an icon. That makes perfect sense. We're renaming this to ability class. Oh boy. Looks like you're trying to hack me. No, I mean, you just sent a large link. Turn the portals into fog so it looks like they're... Yeah, so it looks like they're coming from somewhere. Yeah, exactly. Although that doesn't make sense either, because the fog, the idea is you're raising the land, so the land isn't even there yet. Use texture 2D. Okay, so don't do this. Okay. Oh. Huh. Wait, so I shouldn't export... Can I export like a texture? No, it's just export. Okay. Where's the Godot icon? Okay, whatever, I guess. Yeah, so you're not... Yeah, it has to just be... Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, what else for our ability class? I mean, like, whether or not it's a passive, right? And then here's our ability, which will have a script. I mean, let's start with something. I think volley's a good start. And we're going to class name. I guess inherits ability class, right? Can I wonder if I could like autofill that or something. I don't know, whatever. It inherits ability class. Is that a thing? Yeah, okay. And now it automatically has, well, I need to actually assign the script. Can I do that? Nice, okay. Yeah, look at that. All right, icon is passive. Can I do like a description for this? I already have to reload it. Wow. Is a passive. I don't know. I don't know what to call this. It just got rid of my A. Oh, seriously? Maybe I have to like Jesus. I think I have to like reopen Godot or something. Double hashtag above. Okay, let's try it. Maybe is active makes more sense. Is active, and then we'll default it to true. If checked, the ability can be activated. Cooldown is a float. If is active is false, this does nothing. I don't think this needs an explanation. I'm gonna be honest. Can I? Do I really have to like restart this just for this to show up? Or is there a bug or something? Oh, there's a bug. I see. Ah. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll reload it. Well, maybe I should have added the other ones first, but you're currently making another custom emote for me? All right. Thank you, TP. I need to preload it. That's right. We have a challenge video I could try out. It is inactive. See, I don't like this. God damn it. 'Cause I don't like this because hold on. Because it sounds like as opposed to like like deactive or unactive, you know? Inactive is the word. Wow. Maybe I just do like an enum. Export enum. I don't think I'm doing this right. Is this right? Fucking bitch. All right. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Whether or not it's an active or a passive, its cooldown, its icon. That's it. Like that's actually it. Okay, that's fine though. So, and then we could have functions in this. What would be the functions though? Oh, something like well. Actually, I'm not really sure. All right, I think this is fine for now. Making a game in Python in 24 hours. Yeah, my sanity. I'm not. Maybe Godot. I'm not a fan of Python really. Well, Python game dev that is. All right, I think this is fine. We don't need that anymore. At least it reloads quickly, like really quickly. I mean, I don't really want to make them all caps then, do I? At least it works, though. Okay. All right. So I think this is good for now. And, I mean, now we actually want to make the abilities. So Archer abilities. We have Volley. It extends ability class. We definitely need... Well, okay, wait, hold on. What is this? Ability. This is going to be the Volley ability, okay? Let's detach the script and attach the Volley script if we didn't already. Nice. Okay, so we have our icon. Yes, this is good. This is good. Okay. Maybe put these abilities in all in a node. As like a folder kind of, so we can easily just search this. Okay, so Volley. And then this is the Volley. Okay, so this is where we're actually gonna do some stuff. Well, I mean, another thing this class can have is like a function called activate. Maybe a... Can this have like an internal timer? I don't think so. Maybe like also a variable called ready. Ooh, maybe that's not. Yeah, that's not a good name. Off cooldown equals true. And then we have an activate function. If if it's not off cooldown, just return. Otherwise, no, I'm sorry, we can't have the activate function because I mean, this needs to be implemented in the actual volley script, not in here, because the oh, actually, I can just do like a second function called like ability or something. And then off cooldown equals false. So like ability, like you're doing, it's like what the ability does. And then so maybe like var success equals ability. Or maybe like if ability if the cast ability maybe, or so, no, that's what activate is. So if ability returns true, off cooldown is false, and then this needs to be implemented in the other functions, but or in the actual in here. But anyway, can I do this? Nice. If ability returns true, that means the ability was successfully cast. It wasn't like canceled or anything. Wait, is this gonna wait? Is this... Wait. This needs to like await... It needs to like wait for it to run, because like stuff can happen here that may take a while. Well, that was my plan, GB, to like if off cooldown equals false, and then create the scene tree timer with a signal to put it back to true. But how can I use await? Is this not a thing anymore? Wait, is it called wait? Or, oh god, what's this called? To teleport item types, how about different colored borders? That's what we're... Oh, well, the borders are for the rarity. Yeah, I was gonna say, the borders are for the rarity. We were gonna do shapes. Oh, is it yield? I think it's yield. Is it? I don't think it's yield. Is it yield? Wait, it was yield and now it's a wait, I think. But it's just not here, I guess. This doesn't... But how do I set the result of this to something? Well, I mean, I guess I can just have it like set it outside. But like I want this is annoying. You can save callables in variables. Hold on, this isn't saving the callable, this is saving the return. I'm confused. Yeah, I agree. I think the shape is what we want. All right, what I want to happen is it calls this function. And like waits for a result. Oh, a signal. That's, yeah. Well, yeah. Because I want this volley script to just have to implement like as little as possible, you know? So like we have this function in the volley script called ability. And then we code everything, like whether or not it can be canceled, like stuff happening, etc. I guess, yeah, so we should have like a signal called casted, ability casted. Well, what is this called though? Start. I guess it would function cast and then casted. And then this is the actual effect. This is the actual ability. Yeah, I think ability name. That's fine. Okay. Does that... I mean, yeah, okay. Oh, I don't know. This is fine. Okay. So if it's off cooldown, return. If it's not off cooldown, call this. This gets called and stuff happens. And then we have one more function. Oh, hold on. Maybe on ready. We can casted.connect. Start was cast, something like that. So off cooldown equals false. How about ready to cast? I don't like off cooldown. It's just kind of confusing. So ready to, if not ready to cast, return. If ready, so ready to cast equals false, and then we want to start a timer. Oh, double hash was right. Await ability finished. I mean, this is fine. This is fine, but so this will actually show up like somewhere. Is that it? It's just the callable. That's pretty sick. All right, so casted dot connect. Oh, it's cast. Sure. Ready to cast equals false. Get tree dot create timer dot timeout. The timer is going to be for the cooldown. Dot timeout dot connect, and we're connecting an inline function which literally just sets ready to cast equal to true, I guess. Although I feel like this is not what I want. Instead, I kind of just want I want a timer that's already here. So I can like access it for animations and stuff. Is it just Is it like var timer and then on ready? Timer equals timer.new. Pretty sure that's what it is. So ready to cast equals false. Timer dot wait time equals cooldown. Timer dot start. All right, that's better because we want to be able to access this timer from other places. Okay, and we've built this in a way where, well, hopefully, where we can reuse this for every ability. So signal. Now, we have this ready function. GB, maybe you know this. We have this ready function, and we also have this ready function. Do both get activated, even though this is being extended? Or does this ready function overwrite it if I type anything in this? I'm not sure. Casted dot emit, right. Right. That's way better. And I've done that before. I just keep forgetting that signals are their own thing. Oh, you call super. Either remove the ready function or call super. Where do you call? Wait, what do you mean call super? I forget. I remember reading that though. Where do I? What's the syntax there? Because yeah, I feel like. And how do I see this? Where do I see this? Oh, maybe like in the... And then what? Wait, what is, does that mean that it will also, it'll do this and do this? Whatever I put under it? Is that what that means? We need a while loop here, by the way. Let's think about this. So we have the ability cast. We have cast. So if we're in this function, the ability is already clicked on. We've activated it, right? So either we cancel or we complete the cast. Can I like listen for input here? Or do I need the input function? So something like while. Oh God, are there no while loops in this? I mean, I guess it's different for each ability, you know? In this case, I'm selecting a zone on the ground. So I'm waiting for a left click. What's the difference between unhandled input and input? I guess unhandled input hasn't been used by anything else yet. We might need to start using that. I don't know. All right. You do on ready for time. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't realize I could. Yeah, that's yeah. I forgot I could do the timer.new thing here. That makes a lot of sense though. But we still do want the casted.connect and then was cast. Wait, that's completely, hold on. Why would you even do this? Why not just call this function must call the was cast function after it's successfully cast. Well, no, let's just call it casted. Okay, this makes more sense. All right. How do I enforce that though? That's the thing. I mean, I just got to remember, I guess. I want to see the comment here, but well, I guess I can just do this. How do I make this like a virtual function? Oh, is it just that? Is that the right word? I just want a function that I need to implement. I want to... No. Oh, yeah. Maybe that's not the right word, but I want a function that like, because this is like, This is something I'm going to inherit. And I just want to have like, I just want this. Like, I just want, this is basically saying I have to implement this. Oh. So this is fine, I guess? Okay. Okay. So, fair enough, I guess. So, I mean, this is the whole thing for now. How is it easy to just like wait? Oh, I guess I was gonna do this. Var. Let me know if you think there's a better way to do this, because there has to be. This just feels so bad. But var LMB pressed equals false. RMB pressed equals false. If event dot action pressed. Do I actually not have a left mouse button? Oh, is it primary action? Yeah. All right, you'll see what I'm doing soon. You probably already do see what I'm doing. Okay, and then while LMB pressed, so while not LMB pressed and not RMB pressed, I mean, literally just wait. And then what I'm doing is so stupid. If LMB pressed casted LMB pressed equals false. Return true. And then if RMB is pressed, return true. Okay, so there are some issues with this because maybe we need some sort of like casting variable, because these will be able to be set. Oh, actually here, I can fix that as well. So right here at the beginning, there, set them both equal to false first. So actually I don't need to set them equal to false here. And then return false because the ability didn't work. And then I guess, I mean, it's literally impossible to get here, but fair enough. Okay, so you see what I've done here, okay? Now, I believe it will work, but there has to be a better way to like wait for the input. You know what I mean? So like while true, right? While true, wait for input. How is there a different way to get input? And then if input, break. Because like this is, you're actively casting the ability, you know? Do a signal buff. Wait, but I can't receive the signal in here. My thought process is like, some abilities do a bunch of, I mean, I guess, I don't know. What do you mean? Wait, why not do a signal? Or why not do this? You can event await. Event await. What is event? What do you? I'm not sure what you mean. Okay, let's see. So this is going to have an icon. Let's just add it. Where'd the Godot icon go? Did we lose that? Did you get rid of my Godot icon? Now I'm sad. Here it is. All right, and then the base hero, well, we need like a bar, right? And then in this H box, oh my God, there's so much shit. We need another thing called, I mean, okay, so we have the ability, but what about the thing we like actually click on? So we have here, this would be under UI. I guess this would be on, no, not HUD. Well, no, this is just ability. Frick. This is just ability. And then in here, we're going to do a new scene. This is a 2D scene. I mean, I don't see why we just call this, why we don't call this ability. Here's our ability scene. I mean, it's gonna, eventually it'll be like a clickable thing, but we have a panel, we have a texture rect. We need to check if the panel, not even if it gets clicked. It's not, I mean, I guess you can click it, but it'll also be bound to the keyboard or something. Oh, you can even await the primary action in world signal. Can you okay, so you see what I'm doing here, right? Like the ability function is called and then we're doing stuff in it. It's like a loop kind of. So for example, you're like placing a zone and it's waiting for you to left click. I mean, I guess what I actually need is some sort of state machine, possibly. Like a casting state and a casted state. The only issue I have with that is some abilities might need multiple states or none at all. So like the ability where you select 2 towers, for example. Or the ability where like you need to you charge something up, so you have to hold down. So it's hold down the mouse button. We need like a unique state machine for every single ability, which is like a nightmare. Well, is it a nightmare? I'm not sure. I think, oh frick. I think instead of this wonderful piece of code, we need to make some sort of state machine. This is hard. Maybe I should just like hard code every one and then work from there. That's probably what I should do. Oh, and then this thing, Jesus. All right, I was making the clickable ability. I want to get to a point where I can test this. All right. What does this look like? Oh, this is beautiful. I don't want it to draw the center. Maybe I do. Actually, I take it back. I do. All right. And then we have the texture rec on the inside. Can we add like a margin? I guess we want a margin container. And then the texture rec. So margin container obviously is the full. It's already like that though. Oh, okay, no, it wasn't, but now it is. Full rect. Can this also be full rect? Okay, I guess not. Full rect, and then what's the margin? Where do I set the margin? Oh. Is this even working? Yes, yes it is. 3, 3, 3, 3. All right, there we go. And what is the texture? Well, we're going to fill that in. So we have our ability script. Okay, this is interesting. So we need to be able. This is where I think this is where like the signal bus comes in. We output like ability pressed and then which ability it is. So let's see. Export vart var ability name Wait, did we say this? What did I do for the ability class? Right. What else? It needs a signal called ability activated. Well, activated implies it actually went through. This is just like, well, because this thing's not. Oh, this thing. Shit. This thing needs this ability like icon thing. It needs to know. It needs to know everything about the actual ability. Oh, crap. I'm not sure I like having this in two places. So we're gonna have this ability thing in here. And then another node here. I mean, they're so close. Wait, let's actually... Yeah, so it'll be something like that. And obviously this will be programmatically placed. It's not going to just be here. With that said, we're going to create the volley ability right now. Can I quick load this and get the... Jesus Christ. No. Okay, obviously it's not gonna like autofill it. I guess we can do that. On ready, our wait, this is a node, right? Maybe we name this texture rec. What's wrong with this? Oh, fuck. So on ready texture rec icon dot texture. Will that, if I do that, will it autofill? No. Okay. So at least that works. But now I need this. Well, okay, hold on. So let's just have var ability, which is going to be the ability class. And then when this thing is created from this thing spawning in, so like this thing will make this. So this gets added and it creates the ability. And actually that can also be added in the base ability class. So we have cast, we have this, casted, that's fine. Func create icon. Create, what would it be called? Create ability UI, I guess. And let's do that on ready var. What is this called? I mean, I just named it ability. Wait, why is this called ability? Hold on. Oh. Oh, right. This is oh, shit. Yeah, that's duh. Sorry, I forgot how this was working for a second. Well, wait, there's no point to export these. Why would I export these? What is this? What do you mean it's not found in the current scope? What's this? But it was when I did... No, it was not. What? Okay, whatever, I guess. Okay, it doesn't matter. So these aren't exported because this isn't a resource or anything. This is just like the base ability. And it should be called ability. I guess we can call this ability UI. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now if we go back to ability class. Now what does this mean? On ready ability. What was the Oh, this is ability name? Because okay, so the idea is like on ready. I'm looking at the word ability is starting to look weird. What the hell? What? Nothing's autofilling. Oh my god. Is this the ability name? All right, on ready, we need to create this thing. Remember, we're in this right now. We're in volley, for example. Actually, we're not in volley. Wait, yes, we are. Oh my fucking god, dude. What does that even mean? Is it this? Yeah. Okay, so remember we're in the ability class, and on ready, we want to create the ability UI, okay? Or specifically like the button, maybe ability button. That's the word I was looking for. And now we get to change everything again. This is great. Oh my god, I know, please. All right. Okay, ability button. That's what's being created here. The ability class on ready will create the ability button. I think that makes sense. Ability. I know what I was doing. I was halfway through writing it and then I just stopped, and it happened to be the exact name of. Okay. Anyway, var ability button template equals preload. Okay. On ready, maybe like var ability button, just so we have a reference to it. Maybe ability button equals, what else? Where are we? We're in the ability class right now. I mean, this can't have a reference to, well, wait. Maybe call this abilities. Did I spell it right? Abilities. So ability button equals ability button template dot instantiate. Export a texture rect. That's an interesting. Oh, that's a good idea. Just the entire texture rect? Well, wait, texture. Instead of the icon. And then what? Would I put the texture rect here? In the margin container? Is that the idea? I mean, what do I name this? Oh, probably. Keep the icon. Oh. Well, now I'm confused. Wait, well, what's wrong with this? So I'm just passing in the entire texture rect. I mean, that's what you were saying, right? Wait, this is what you were saying, I hope. No, let's call it icon. I guess we can keep the name as icon. Yeah, that's fair. Because that's yeah. Because we already have this to correct it. Oh no. Okay, well, I like this idea better just because, well, if it works. Maybe I don't like. Do I like this idea better? Wait, why did you want me to do that? Can you try at export texture rec? When did you say that? I don't have timestamps, so it's probably a while ago. Oh no. Well, now I'm curious like what this actually looks like. So can we go to base hero, volley? So obviously, well, hold on. Do we need to reload for this to actually take effect? I think we could just destroy volley and then. It's a node 3. I'm so confused right now. We have the ability class. We're exporting an icon and we're exporting a texture rect specifically. But it just... Does this matter? I feel like it should have me add a texture rect here. Although, like, what's the... I mean, why wouldn't I just do the texture? Okay. Yeah. I think if I detach the script and reattach it, it'll work. Yeah. Okay, well now it's getting weird. So this is the texture rect. What the hell? Is it? What the hell is this? I expected it to be like new texture. Assign? Okay. We're just gonna keep it to be textured 2D. I'm not sure what you were trying to tell me, but... Oh, you just wanted me to try it. Okay, this is fine. This is better than getting scene unique nodes. Oh, well, yeah, I mean, I don't think it matters. We're just going to keep it texture 2D. I don't think that worked. Unless it did and I just didn't do it right, but... Wait. Oh, shit. Where's everything going? Okay. Okay, I've lost my texture rect. It is back. Okay. I guess yeah, I understand what happened now. We couldn't undo this part. See, this is where you would do the export texture rec instead of the on ready. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay, wait. So we're exporting, but we're changing this programmatically though. Oh, which is why I didn't want this. Yeah, I don't think that got on. Like, this is all programmatic. No, I understand it's the node path internally, but isn't that, I mean, isn't that just the percent sign thing? This is ability casted or something like that. Ability. I don't know. I don't even think I need this. Ability pressed, something like that. Should the cooldown be stored in this? Oh man. Like where should this should only be visual. This should only be visual. I don't think any of the, literally none of the logic should be stored in this. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right, we have the ability name, we have the icon. I don't know why we need the ability name, to be honest, but it's fine. This is interesting stuff. I'm like building League of Legends. Oh, it's easier to type, right? Fair enough. Too late though. Okay, what was I doing? Oh my lord. Oh, right. So ability button equals ability button template dot instantiate. Yes. Okay. So ability button dot, what was it called? Ability name. What if, wait, why don't I just make a function called create ability or something, add ability. That will handle both of these things. Yeah, that makes sense, because I don't think this, well, I mean, it doesn't really matter either way, does it? I guess this is fine. So we'll see. Ability button dot, what is it? Ability name and then icon. Okay. I guess it doesn't really matter. Dot ability name equals do I not have like an ID in this? I guess not. Maybe we should change that. export var ability name. Well, now why don't I just give this? Okay, I'm so dumb. This ability button, all it needs is a reference to the ability. That's all. It doesn't need a fucking texture. It has the texture. That's all it is. So now it's ability.icon. I don't know. This is so obvious. I don't know why that didn't occur to me. What is happening here? Please stop. Okay, so back in volley, or actually back in the ability class, ability button equals, yes, you make a new ability button. You give it this, which is the ability. This is where all the game logic is, this 3D node. And then you add it as a child to abilities. Do I have that? Can I just do like... See, this is why I think the base hero should be doing this stuff, to be completely honest. Maybe. I mean, this is not hard. I mean, what is it? So percent. Yeah, I can't do that. That's right. Can't drop nodes because it's not used in the scene. That makes sense. Okay, that at least makes sense. So we need to place this in the abilities thing. Oh, Lord. Ability buttons. I use the word ability too much. Yeah, see, this is an argument for not doing it in here, which is fine. Okay, that's fine. We will do it in here. Well, it's not an argument. It's a... I have to. I really can't do it. I can't create the UI in this logic. And I guess that doesn't really make sense, does it? We will do it here. So it won't be in the ready function, but it's going to be for now, I guess. So var ability button, ability button dot ability. Okay. And then ability buttons. Dot add child. And you add the ability button. Okay. That's great. Now, instead of this, it's going to grab the abilities you've selected and then add them one by one. But right now, wait, what is this? Ability button dot ability equals self. That doesn't make sense. Oh, we need to make the ability too. Shit. Okay. Well, how do we make this ability? Wait, we have this. Shit. We have this script. I mean, okay, so this should be like its own node. Yeah. Oh, we just had the node. I forgot. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, really? It's just you. Okay, let's do this. Var add export. Can we export like var abilities? Man, selected abilities, and this is an array of string. And on ready, this load hero doesn't really matter. Func load abilities. For S in selected abilities. And then we need to also, okay, it's coming together. This is starting to make sense. Well, it's starting to make sense. I'm starting to be able to see, like, to fit the entire system in my head at the same time, which is good. Hey, Donnie Bird, what's up? And that's also why I'm not reading chat. Okay, the preload should be const. I'm not, yeah. And nodes already have a name, right? Well, I'm using it as like an ID. Maybe I should, I don't know. I can change that, but okay, so when should preloads, so because this isn't like a node, because it's a scene, it should be a const. That's right. Thank you. Because it's not going to change. And then this is the ability scene. This is just the ability template. It's just the ability, which is this. So I'm actually going to, just so it's not confusing anymore. Scenes, hero, archer, abilities. Yeah, I guess that's where it should go, right? You go the hero, and then specifically the archer, and then the abilities. Oh, no, that's not true. Abilities, and then one more. What? Okay, and then if we go back to... Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Okay. Can we move it back here and uncorrupt it? No! What happens? Constant variables, apparently. I mean... What was in that hero? I don't even remember. Oh, I can... What do you mean it's corrupt? Okay, that's good. Does anything look corrupt? What the fuck? I don't even know. So, okay, at least we can see this. So there was a... Oh, there was actually kind of a lot in here. What the hell? How do I uncorrupt it? Invalid. All I did was move around this file. Shit. Okay, we don't... I mean, I doubt if I close it down and reopen it, but we can try. It's worth a try. Of course, I haven't committed this entire stream, so. All right, come on. So this isn't gonna work. Oh, really? Really? It actually okay. Okay. Well, we're back. So we have our volley ability, which oh I see. Let's put that there. Okay. We have our volley ability. We have our volley ability button. I mean, this can just be called volley. And these will be programmatically added in this script. So load abilities for S in selected abilities. Here we go. Okay. We're back to actually working on this. var ability instance, ability button instance. That's not. So ability instance equals ability template instantiate. And then what do I do with this? What is the ability instance? Oh, no, that's it. That's it. Sorry. All of this stuff is going to be set by me. Because it's being set here. It's this, right? Okay, so good. This makes sense. This makes sense. And now we add the ability instance to here. This needs a different name. Ability managers. These are the actual abilities. Oh god. Ability managers? No. Ability scenes, I guess? They're the abilities, but I really don't. And then this is selected abilities, sure. But this shouldn't be, I guess, no, this should not be exported. The only reason I'm exporting it right now is just so I can test. But this will be selected in the main menu, I think. Okay, the song we're gonna change. Are we even in this playlist anymore? Wait. Well, how do I know which ability template? Wait a second. Wait, no, hold on. So under Archer, we have abilities. I mean, okay, I feel like it should just be a folder called abilities. We have hero and then abilities. This is gonna mess everything up. It crashed. I know how to fix it. It's just hilarious. All right, try again. Yeah. Right. So volley is. Oh, that's not this. This get rid of. So okay, scenes, hero, abilities. Okay, and then in this, it's just volley. All right, so let's try that again. We literally can't preload this. That doesn't make any sense. It's just, it's gonna be var ability equals load scenes. No, yeah, scenes hero abilities volley basically SS. Oh my god. I'm not really sure what's wrong with this at the moment. My bad. Missing a plus sign. Percent %S might be. Oh shit. I forgot. Okay, this is the perfect time to implement that. Now what? How do I do that? Wait, does it already just work? Is this the S? Does this just work? If that's the case, I love that. Wait, what do you mean? Okay, here's this. What should I do? Dot. Dude, I'm so confused. I have no idea what you're saying. The variable is S. Okay, we'll fix that, but okay, so we have our ability instance. We need to add this to a child of abilities. So percent abilities dot add child ability instance. Now we make the ability button. So ability button instance equals yes. Oh. Wait, isn't I don't understand how this works, because isn't that the same syntax as this? Huh. Space between recent or here? No. Is this right? How do I like look up this instead of you telling me through chat? How do? What is this string builder or something? Huh. So S represents S. What about this S? Should I use a different letter or hold on. For ability name. Would this also work? Yeah, I shouldn't use the letter S then. How about that? That makes more that makes more sense, I think. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So we've added our ability. Now we're going to add the button. We give the button the ability, like a reference to it. I mean, shouldn't the ability have a reference to the button as well? Class name ability button class. Or should it just be ability button? What did I do here? I mean, I guess it should be ability button class. And this ability class. Oh, yeah, right here. Okay. And then the ability button class should have the ability. Good. Okay, so they have references to each other. That's good. This is going to be the ability class. This is going to be the ability button class, and now this should autofill. It does. Ability button equals ability button instance. All right. They have references to each other, just in case. Okay. They're both added. To the tree. Okay, I guess. Sorry about that. Okay, so ability scenes. Ability buttons. How do I know which wait, how do I know which ability? Oh, there's just one ability button, that's why. And that ability button is based on, well, I just pass in the ability. Okay. I mean, that makes me think it should be a resource. Well, what would that resource store? Well, I guess this, right? At the very least, the icon and the name. Huh. The way I'm doing it is kind of weird, isn't it? And then all this would just be a single. It would just be the resource. I would just pass in the resource for this instead. And then I could pass in the resource to anything. So, but instead I'm passing in this entire thing, which accomplishes the same idea, but it's like volley would have, we would still have the volley scene, we would still have the volley script. I mean, is the way I'm doing it really that big of a deal? I think this is fine. I mean, I would just store it in the resources. I don't know. I think this is fine. Yeah. Recursive references. Oh no, should I not do that? Makes it so you can't load some classes with the right class name, at least right now. What do you mean? What do you mean with the right class name? I just want them to each have access to each other. Well, let's think about it. Like, because the volley, the button should have the icon, and it should, or maybe one should just listen to the other or something. Like maybe this thing just sends out signals to this, you know? I guess this one doesn't need this one's reference. The only, yeah, so maybe, but the only reason I did that, okay, this scene needs like it needs a reference to this. This needs it just needs to know the icon, and I guess that's it. I don't know. We'll see. Will this? That's why I couldn't use the class names in some variables of global. Well, huh. We'll see if this is an issue. All right. So anyway, the last thing we need to do is add our ability and see if this actually works. So on ready, we're going to load our abilities, and I mean, it should create the volley ability. It doesn't do anything yet. I mean, it's literally just this. Oh, sorry. I was just thinking, like, this isn't called. It doesn't have to call casted. If it does call casted, we're going to print ability name was casted. Okay. This should be called attempt cast. This should be called cast. Okay, and this is casted. And then we get into here. This says cast. This is what actually happens if the ability is successfully casted. All right. Or is successfully cast. Once it's casted. Now I'm saying the word cast too much and it's losing its meaning. Oh no. Anyway. How... Okay, but how is this even called? Where is attempt cast called? Oh Lord. Okay, so how does this thing know? Oh, I think that should be in the hero, right? Because it's like, okay, yeah. All right. You're not gonna be able to click your abilities. I think it has to be a button press, and so basically func input. Let's do 4 abilities. That's fun. Ability 1. Ability 2. Ability 3. Ability 4. 1. Do we use the... Oh, shit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty funny. I mean, it doesn't matter. 2, 3, and then obviously we can add more control, like for controller stuff. But probably, oh, I'm not really sure. Where is everyone, by the way? That's funny. They're just enjoying the struggle. So if event dot is pressed ability 1, we're going to get the first child of abilities, right? Or, I mean, really, yeah. Event dot action. So it's ability. Can we just call this ability scenes? And okay, so we're gonna get the scene, and the scene is this. Attempt and call. We're gonna call attempt cast. Okay. 1 ability scenes dot get child index 0 because it's ability 1, so you want to get the first one. Dot. Oh well, let's do this. Var ability, and this is the ability class. Motherfucker. It just eats it. Oh my god. And this equals ability scene dot get child 0. Okay, and now ability dot attempt. Okay, it's not autofilling. Ability is in ability class. Why isn't this autofilling? Oh, why? What's the I mean, okay. I mean, I feel like that should be the same thing. Okay, it's still... Wait, there's ready to... The function's just not there. I'm really confused. Is it because... No, I don't know. Am I spelling it wrong? Wait, what? It's no. Oh, it's null if it's not an ability. Interesting. Oh man. Okay. I mean, whatever. Attempt cast. There you go. And then we do this 4 more times. I mean, this is some repeated code if I've ever seen it, but I don't really know how else to do it, so. I guess I could make a for loop, but. Shit. Should I make a for loop? I mean, it's literally the same stuff. For I in 4. Is that 0 to 3? Why wouldn't I make a for loop? Programming, yay! Okay. For I and 4, yeah. So maybe like var. Well, fuck. Why wouldn't I just make it okay. Excuse my language. Ability plus I, and now let's just change this to instead of ability 1. Let's just name it ability 0, please. Thank you. Oh, see, but it's 1, 2, 3. See, that's confusing. Well, is it that? It's not that. It's not. It really is not that confusing. All right. All right. Cool. So who thinks this will work first try? Because I don't. Base hero, selected abilities. We have volley. Can I duplicate this? I can move it. D. Okay. Oh, I mean, I guess there. We have the volley ability 4 times. Whew, boy. We finished. The hero should spawn in. We should be able to press the 1 and then click. Yours is null. Okay, mine, I think it'll work first try. Yep. I do. I really do. I totally, absolutely do think it'll work first try. Where's my hero? Oh, I don't have a mesh. Or nothing. Yeah, nothing will happen. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We have an issue here. I never loaded the hero. Wait. Frick. Well, no, hold on. Sorry. We're loading the abilities. Load hero. All it does is load the hero mesh. Currently. I don't even know. Well, wait. I mean, this is gonna have. What just happened? Karen Za 30. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I like the idea of having like a base hero and then having the mesh get added in after the fact, and then maybe like the animations are Well, because like all, it's just like animation. It would just be animations playing. Yeah, this is fine. I think this is fine. I mean, do I even... So load mesh? I don't even know. And it depends on what? The hero you select? I guess I can just hard code this right now. We have a mesh instance. I mean, I just want a cube. Var... Ah, frick. Okay, so new folder, Archer. And in the Archer, we're going to have a new resource. And this is going to be a mesh. What's the Archer? Archer, I feel like Archer would be a prism. What do you guys think? I don't care what you think. Archer mesh. Cool. Var Archer. This is hard coded, I'm aware, but I don't care. So, do I even load this? I feel like I load this. Okay, and then mesh instance dot mesh equals Archer mesh. Obviously, it'll change depending on the one you choose. And then eventually we're going to have animations and oh Lord, I think I just want generic animations. So like the way I'm setting it up, any hero can cast any ability and I'm fine with that. Obviously, that's not how it's going to be, but in the so basically I'm going to give like the Archer a casting animation, a cast animation, and a recut, like stuff like that. How's it going, Karen? I'm not sure if you want to go by Karen. Karanta's, I don't know how to say your name. You started programming yesterday using C++. Dang. Default cube hero, nice. Will the look of the castle ever change? No, it's gonna be a cube in the final game, definitely. The artists are hard at work, I promise. We'll have more models relatively soon. Dang. So why are you starting on wow. Why are you starting with C++? I'm curious. Mesh instance dot mesh equals Archer mesh. All right, we're ready to go. Here we go. I'm sure this will work first try. I don't see why it wouldn't. Yeah. Okay, what's the error though? Attempt to call function instantiate. Anyone guess typo? Wait, is that how you spell it? Oh. Oh, it's not a typo. Hold on. Nope, it's not a typo. It's in base null instance on a null instance. So ability template. Oh, this doesn't exist. This just isn't a thing. Oh, no, it's this. Ability template equals load. Okay, so did this just not work? Var path equals this print path. I think you sabotaged me. I'm gonna be honest, because this is the part you helped me out on. I think you sabotaged me. We'll see. You wanted me to get an error. Let's see what it prints. It was you, GB. Not enough arguments for format string. I don't even know what that means. Oh, is it this? Is it another percent? Oh. It was you. You did this to me. Should have used Rust. Should have used literally anything else. Oh, you mean different styles of castles? I don't see why not. Why wouldn't you be able to customize it? What? Okay, now I'm very confused. Oh, maybe. Well, wait, it didn't print though. All right, what's the freaking? Okay, I think it's time to learn it. Godot for string builder. Maybe format string, yeah. Okay, how do I do multiple? Actual string equals format string percent Godot. Oh, format string. We're waiting for %s. Okay, now how do I do multiple? Oh. Oh, I see. All right. That makes sense, I guess. All right, let's see if this works. That would actually be insane if this worked. Yeah, okay. Because like we just did so much coding. Invalid set index mesh with a value of type. Frick you! What the hell? What do you mean? Are we not allowed to do that? I just did it. What the heck? Here's my prism mesh. What? Why is that not allowed? I mean, I doubt this will work as well. I mean, this is a prism mesh. I'm trying to set it equal to the mesh of the mesh instance. Am I just not allowed to? Okay, let's try this. Load. Scenes. Hero, archer. I mean, it looks like I'm allowed to. This is such like a irrelevant part of it. Because it's not gonna... That doesn't even make any sense. It's probably something obvious. It's 4:50 a.m. in Spain. You're in Spain? Nice. You're not tired? Nice. It's 10:50 here, p.m. Oh, on base node. Okay, my bad, my bad. Oh boy, sorry. All right. Oh. Oh, I see. Eyes a string. Eyes a string. Okay. Oh, there's our ability. Okay, there should be 4. Right? Yeah, there should be 4. So obviously this is not formatted correctly. Let's go to ability. I think it needs to be. Oh, sorry. In UI abilities. Yeah, this does not need to be a node 2D. This needs to be something else. Changed. I mean, it might as well be the. Wait. Can I make this the scene root? What was the script here? Here. There. Okay. Let's try this. They should be like in a row. Oh, okay. I already know that the error is. It extends panel. All right, let's see what's going on. Level, castle, base hero, I guess. Panel, ability buttons. There's 3 or 4 of them. Why? What's going on here? Is it because of the minimum size? I don't know if this will actually work, but we can try it. Theme overrides, separation. I mean, at least it's not erroring. And I haven't tried the abilities yet, which if they're all the same. No, that did nothing. Okay. Okay, let's go to the ability button and maybe give it a min size. Well, actually, okay, hold on. Let's go to the hero and let's just put the ability buttons in and actually just like look at it. How about that? So this is the base hero. And we're just gonna, Oh, I see. Okay, so there's some issues. This is supposed to be the ability bar. And apparently this just becomes nothing. Custom, because maybe we don't have an icon, is that why? Why don't we have an icon? On ready, texture rect icon dot texture. Okay. Equals ability dot icon. Okay. Hero abilities, volley. Oh, I just didn't set it. Okay. Textures, items, example item icon. Type is an active, cooldowns 5 seconds. Ability name, volley. Let's go back to the base hero and delete these. And here we go. Look at them. Look at my icons. I don't know why the size is so messed up, But with that said, God, this is so janky. I am going to. Why am I printing this? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, because it loaded twice. Here we go. How many lines have I coded? I have no idea, dude. Thousands. I don't know what to tell you. I think the more interesting question is how many hours have I coded? And for that, you can go on my YouTube channel. I'll even link it for you. So this playlist right here, the streams playlist, and then scroll all the way down to day 1, and then go. You add this up, then you add this up, and then you add this up, all the way. This looks new, by the way. You add all of these hours up, all of them up. And then that's how many hours I've coded. Because they're in a Node 2D. And I thought I changed that, though. Like, I literally just changed it to a panel. Or, well, this isn't that. I thought UI, ability... Shouldn't this be abilities? Oh, no, ability, because it's only one. Yeah, look, I just changed it to a panel. Does it... Wait, should this be control? Maybe it should be control. Yeah, no, I mean, that was like the last thing I did. Let's... What? That's actually really annoying. Can we figure out why this is happening? Is it the minimum size? I mean, I just thought it would like be extended to whatever it needed to be. Oh, expand. Okay. All right. All right. I'm not sure why that's not the default. I feel like it should be the default. So can I just undo? Okay, I guess I can't. We'll keep it control, I guess. Layout. Anchors preset. Can we just do... No. Top left is fine, I guess. But this is what's more interesting. Let's do expand and expand. Did I just mess this up? So base hero. And then if we add this, add another one. See, what the fuck, dude? Huh? Does this make any sense? Me? Let's go back to the button. Okay, this should be the parent. Make scene root. This, no. Going back and forth on this. Panel container. What's the difference? I don't really care. Wait, is it because of the theme? It might be because of the theme that's messing it up. let's try this first. Okay, that actually worked. Just sort of. I guess. Alignment center and then layout. Custom bin. Just make it 500 or something. No! Maybe, okay. Don't expand, I guess. But then it does this. I'm so confused. Holy shit. Like, do I just hard code the size? Like, is that what I do? It's already... Is it just this? Like, is that it? I guess that's what I do. Like, all right, cool. Okay, and now it should expand based on how many I put in it, right? Okay, Jesus. All right. Okay. This... man. Yo, you added that 203 hours. Hell yeah! I should make a video that's like 0 hours and then an arrow 200 hours and then like a time lapse. Uneo 30, thanks for the YouTube sub. I appreciate it. Try a panel container. Yeah, probably. But okay. First though, I want... Okay, maybe this should be a panel container. Change type. Panel container. I want this to expand with this. Panel container, let's go. Okay, you were totally right. Yeah. So this same thing, this should be a panel container, I guess. Because it'll expand. No! Frick you. Dude, I think I have to just set this. It's whatever. I don't know why I just pressed play. That's gonna like, yeah, it's not gonna like that. All right. Base hero. Goodbye. Because it's programmatic, obviously. Whew, here we go. Frick, what the hell? I didn't read the error, so I'm gonna have to do it again. Oh, wait, I think I know. I think I know the error. Of course, I mean, it's the same freaking error I've been getting. This needs to be panel container. All right, here we go. I want to see those Godot icons. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Base hero. Let's open it in 2D. This bad boy. Can we anchor it? Where? Okay, what is wrong with you? Where should the abilities be? Probably down here, because you're not going to see the tiles, right? Oh, but maybe you have abilities that can be activated. Well, no. I think all the abilities are only... Well, I'm not... I mean... Oh. I guess it depends, because I was thinking, like, why not have abilities that can be activated during build phase? But then, like, okay, I guess they wouldn't have a cooldown, because that doesn't make any sense. Oh, you are Une 30? Nice. Okay, cool. No one has the same name. It's annoying. Oh, but yeah, anyway, so I guess they'd have to be gated by something else. But I don't really like, I'm not sure I like that. So but I mean the ability you should still be able to see them, right? I mean, we could just put them top. This isn't going to be in the game anyway. You just put them at the top. Alright. I mean, for now, let's just do center top. What is happening? I literally just want to move it down. Can I handle that, please? Ah, it's not expanding from the center. Would that fix it? No. Wait, yeah, no. Well, I can't see the anchors anymore. They were there, but now they're not. Oh. Yeah, now I'm a little confused. It should be centered. Oh, maybe is it because of this? Alignment center. Like I expect. I mean, is this just not in this? Maybe it is centered. That's possible. I mean, it doesn't look centered. Yeah, that's definitely not centered. What the hell? I mean, this clearly is not centered. What is this? What's this little thing in the top left? That's, I thought that was its center point or something. What is that even? What does auto translate mean? Huh. I mean, I'm curious what happens when I do this. Obviously, it's not going to look good. That's centered. Well, shit. Okay, so... Oh. Where'd it go? What the hell? That was weird. It's just gone now. And now it's back. Okay, I believe I need to put it in a control that is full rect. And now this will be centered. Or maybe center. Oh, maybe top watt. No. Let's try that. There we go. That's okay. That's what I say. So now it's actually centered. Cool. Is this where the abilities are gonna go? Probably not, but I mean, that's where they're going right now. And I've been waiting. Oh, you can... Okay, you can change the pivot point. Yeah, that's what it is, a pivot point. But it's fine, I figured it out. I don't think that would have fixed it, by the way. Oh, I can't click anything. Cool, 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 cool. Mouse. Ignore. Let's try that again. So new map, and I mean, so if I click 1, hopefully it won't crash. Okay, nothing's happening. Okay, that's, yeah. I think that was GV's guess. Oh. Oh, we got that infinite loop. I believe, yeah, okay. Well, it is what it is. That was a good call. Who would have thought that this didn't work? So I believe it's just stuck in this while loop and literally like no other code can run. I believe that is what's happening. Is there a way I can like read input in this while loop? Oh. It's an... Is it an input event? I think I need a state machine, guys. I don't think a while loop is there. Oh, God. In my head, it made sense, but this is definitely not the way. Okay, so let's think about this. Var state equals, and I mean, there's multiple states, right? Or maybe... Is this like an enum? Wait, how do we make an enum? Oh my god. Isn't it like enum state? And then I want there to be like on cool down. There's no way this is correct. Wait, if casted is called, why do I care what this returns? Because, like, I know if it worked or not if casted is called. I don't think this needs to return a Boolean. But anyway. So on cooldown, off cooldown, casting. Is that it? Probably need a comma. Or do we even do enums for this, or do we just make it like a string? I think enums are probably better. So like if the state is off cooldown, for example, and you press, well, not if cast is pressed, right? Then it'll do its thing. It'll change the state to casting. Huh. Okay. Well, wait. This is states. This is states. I guess it would be states, but then the var would be like what, current state, and that equals, it'll be off cooldown. Come on, seriously. Well, now I'm confused. Oh, it would be state dot off cooldown. What's the point of doing this? Why can't I just write off cooldown? I guess I could just do 0. I guess this is nice to read. And should it be all caps? Yeah. No, it should be state, not states. It should be state. Then remove, wait, what do you mean then remove the word state? Now I'm confused. Wait, what? So current state is this. If cast is called, if current state equals specifically off cooldown, because you can have several enums. Oh, is it just that? Oh shit. Okay, thank you. Yeah. That makes more sense. Okay. If current state equals, what is wrong with me? If current state equals off cooldown. If the skill is off cooldown and you press cast, current state equals casting. Great. Now what? If secondary action, so okay, not gonna lie, state machine, pretty great. Well, okay, there is something we have to handle with this system. We're gonna be casting. You could potentially cast multiple skills at the same time, which is hilarious but not good. So we'll have to figure that out. But anyway, so secondary action first, because why not? If current state equals what? If it equals casting, current state equals off cooldown. Because you haven't casted it, you've canceled the cast. I hate the on cooldown, off cooldown. I always get it mixed up in my head. On cooldown means it's not ready. Ready. Not ready. Current state. Yeah, I like ready and not ready better. It's just easier to understand. So if you cancel the cast while you're casting, you're ready again. If the current state is ready, the current state is casting. Okay, cool. Now, here we go. If the current state is casting and you do your primary action, you left click the ground. This means you left click the ground. I'll do additional checks, but and you left click anywhere currently. Current state equals not ready, and we call casted. There you go. Now, obviously, there will be more stuff here. Although, now that I think about it, this state machine probably could be in the base ability class. Because, like, this cast is just putting it into the casting state. And then when it's in the casting state, I guess this is fine. Yeah, this is actually fine. Okay. So maybe we can have a function called volley, fire volley, and that will be called here. So if the current state is casting and you left click, fire volley, current state, not ready, fire the volley, call casted. All right, fire the volley. What does this do? Print. Volley fired. All right, here we go. Let's do this. I'm literally making League of Legends right now. Okay. New map is fine. Here we go. So I click 1, I click the ground, volley fired, volley was casted. Okay, and so that worked. Input timer was not added to the scene tree. Either add it or set auto start to true. What? I didn't know I had to add it to the scene tree. Oh, wait. Yeah, it should be added to the scene tree, shouldn't it? My bad. It needs to be added to the tree, just it doesn't need to be a child of anything. So this timer, it's going to be get tree dot create timer. And then the time, I guess, would be the cooldown. Doesn't this, wouldn't, wait, isn't this gonna auto start though? So maybe on ready, I guess. Timer, get tree dot, oh, frickin' bit. How do I add it to the scene tree? Shit, maybe I should just... Oh, but no, the whole point of having this timer variable was so I had access... Wait. Okay, let's try this. Because I don't want to put anything in this ready function if I don't have to. But that's not even... I don't want to... Sorry, what I mean is I don't want to add this timer like to the tree, not to the tree, but like as a node. So right here, casted, ready to cast equals false. Timer dot wait time. So this, what I actually want is scene, or get tree rather, get tree dot create timer. And does this return the timer? It does. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a scene tree timer. Oh, cool. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Var timer equals scene tree timer dot new. Does this work? It does not require... See, this is my... Yeah, this was the issue. Now, am I doing it correctly? Because I actually don't want this to automatically start. I mean, I guess... Well, wait. Yeah, I guess this is fine. So then timer.waitTime, timer.start. Well, we're already having issues, so... Oh my god. Oh, it's not instantiated. Fuck. Alright. Let's try this. Scene tree timer, and then we instantiate it here. But it just said it wasn't instantiatable. What does that even mean? Timer equals get tree dot create timer with cooldown. Here we go. This is it. This is it. Because all I just wanted a reference to it. That's all. And here's that reference. I didn't even need to type it. I was vastly overcomplicating it. I didn't realize get tree create timer returned the timer, which in hindsight makes a lot of sense. Okay. Here we go. 1, click. Volley fired. Volley was casted, and now it's on cooldown. 1. Yeah, look. Ah! Volley on cooldown. It's working. Is it ever going to be off of cooldown? Now I'm concerned. Okay. The cooldown was only 5 seconds, and I'm pretty sure... Okay. Plus timer dot time left string plus seconds remaining. Let's try that again. Although I'm now realizing this timer literally doesn't do anything. Wait. What? Okay, hold on. Oh my god. The current state needs to change back to ready when the timer finishes. I just completely forgot to do that. But this has no idea what that state is. All right, I may regret this, but I'm going to put the entire state machine in the actual ability class. I already regret it. Okay, so we have the enum, we have the current state, timer equals, yes, timer dot timeout dot connect, and we're going to connect the function that we're going to create right now, and this function, all it does is set the current state equal to ready. Are you still having an aneurysm? Okay, I guess you are. No, it actually works. All right, here we go. 1, click, volley fired, and now I'm going to press 1 again. Oh, 2 seconds remaining. Negative seconds remaining. What? What does that mean? Right, this was the other volley. I pressed the number 2. Dude, what the... Okay, screw you, by the way, but... Hopefully I can make the class, or the states universal, we'll see, but... Timer.timeout.connect, current state equals ready. Okay, hold on. I press 1. The state is supposed to be ready. Oh, wait. or yeah, if current state equals ready, current state equals casting. But instead, it just instantly says volley is on cooldown. Because in here, oh, ready to cast. Oh shit. Okay, that's useless now, because we have the freaking state machine. Okay, so ready to cast isn't even a thing anymore, because it's just in the state. I'm going to scream. Current state, nope, it's just state. It's just state. There's no current state. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, and if state equals ready, ready. If state equals ready, if state does not equal ready, I'm sorry, hold on. If state equals not ready, see, now we have states. If state equals not ready, do this. If state equals, well, hold on. If state equals casting, don't do anything. Like literally don't do anything. If state equals ready, that's, oh Jesus Christ, maybe that's not a good. If state equals ready, I do just want it to cast. And then return, but it's going to return anyway. I don't need the return here. Okay. If state's not ready, print this. If state is ready, cast. Oh my god. Okay, there's, what the hell is going on here? Okay, I don't need the, no, okay. I understand what's happening now. So casted is called, casted. Let's handle the states in here if possible. Although, I guess that's not really possible. Jesus Christ, this is a mess. I mean, part of me just wants to not even have the ability class and just put everything in the volley script. And then just copy and paste over and over. But that just feels not good. I'm here for regrets. Let's go. What's up, Aaron? I'm just rebuilding League of Legends right now. How's it going? You can put the state machine in the base class, no problem. Yeah, alright. That's good. We'll see. We'll see issue with this. Current state is not. Oh, it's just state. Okay. All right. Let's try it. So, Aaron and whoever else has no idea what's going on. Basically, there are heroes you can choose from, and these heroes, you're able to cast abilities from them. These kind of give you something to do and an extra layer of strategy while the waves are actually running. We have our abilities up top. It's just the same ability 4 times in a row right now. There's no visuals. It's just mechanics. I'm going to press the number 1 and then left click. Okay, volley fired, and then volley was casted. Okay, let me actually, well, let's, oh. Okay, so it's not getting put onto cooldown. I think I forgot something. I definitely forgot something. Casted, so cast. Oh, this isn't called. This function must call cast. Oh, frick. This is supposed to be called here. Give me a second. Attempt casted. This is okay. Here, this state. Sorry about that. state equals not ready. That's that. Okay, this will work. Jesus Christ. But what I wanted to do was this. Else if state equals ready. Print casting volley. Hard coding it is, I mean, I literally have the ability name right here. Casting the ability name. So if I press 1, casting volley, I left click, volley was fired, volley fired. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. This it's just triggering me so much with the. Okay, so this is like, yeah, to do. Implement volley. That was what we were supposed to be doing today. I can't believe I thought I'd be able to implement all these skills today. I mean, I probably could have implemented them all, but instead I chose to implement like the actual hero code, like the, I don't know, like the foundation for it. All right, here we go. 1, casting volley, left click, volley was casted. Press 1 again, volley's on cooldown for 3 more seconds. Volley's on cooldown for 0.5 seconds. What if there was no visual? It was just like text. Volley, yes, casting volley, it's working. Volley was casted. Okay, and then it's on cooldown. Now, if I press number 2, it's the same skill. Casting volley, I'm gonna right click now. Okay. So it's working, but there's no feedback on the cancel. Give me a second. Attempt cast. No, I don't think it's here. It's gonna be in here. If you do secondary action, cancel the cast. Print. We're in the volley script right now. Volley canceled. All right, let's try this one more time. 1, casting volley. Can you guys read this, by the way? Well, it's too late now. Volley was casted. Volley's on cooldown. I'm gonna press 2 now. Casting volley, right click. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's canceled. I get it. Like, why does it keep printing? Oh. Okay, let's try that. Holy moly. 1, casting volley, left click, volley was casted. It's on cooldown. 2, casting volley, right click, volley canceled. Casting volley, volley canceled. Casting volley, volley was casted. It's on cooldown. Oh my goodness, it worked. Okay, it worked. Wow. A cool thing with this system, by the way, well, okay, actually, never mind. I was gonna say you can add as many abilities as you want, but I only have 4 of the buttons bound. And I don't plan, yeah, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna read chat now. Never fails, there's always something else to do first. Well, yeah. Oh, hey, EXO. Hey, EXO, what's up? This is an important thing to do first, though. It's like the foundation of it. Although I could have skipped to the fun part of like actually implementing the abilities. So like the volley, it fires a volley of arrows and just deals some damage, which I know is underwhelming. This is the starter character, though. You're very high off programming shenanigans right now. Nice, nice. Made some really exciting progress in your game today. Hey, that's awesome. What'd you make? Ooh, late night with the kiddo. How old is the kiddo? All right, this is getting annoying, so I'm just gonna reload. There were no errors, it's just I put some code in the class and it doesn't update. I don't know why I opened that. Well, I guess this is a good time to say, if you want to know how to make damage numbers, I have a tutorial on YouTube. It's pretty easy to do, but it's a beginner tutorial, so. Although, no shame in watching it anyway. Hey, Bag, how's it going? 2.5? Nice. You've been refactoring the inventory system code in Rust for your Godot game. Okay. Why in Rust? It's using, I don't know, what's ECS? No, and it's a lot more flexible. Entity something system? No, maybe. It's gonna let you do silly inventory shenanigans like bags and bags. Nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it is entity component system. Okay. Hey, Vince, what's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a while. How's it going? All right. Are we getting those errors? I mean, we shouldn't, right? Yeah, no more errors. Cool. Cool. So, casting volley was casting. I mean, now what we can do is like add the cooldown here, you know? And then, I mean, obviously we can have visual effects for these abilities. But an issue, well, yeah, that would be nice to do that right now, actually. Because it's kind of annoying the only feedback to, it's kind of annoying to have the only feedback be text. Okay, so we need to do some things. Let's go to our ability button. And I want to make, well, let's start off with making the outline a little bit thicker. Because I want to change it. That's the radius. Okay. With that said, I do want to do that. Border width. Maybe not that thick. What's the size of my icon? Is there like a properties? How do can I just open it? Oh, it's 64 by 64. All right, that's fair. So that means, well, actually, this doesn't, I don't even need this anymore. Although, okay, I guess I can set it to 64 because I'm pretty sure all the icons are 64. So this is what it's going to look like. I think. Actually, no, that's not true. This custom, okay, this should be 64 by 64. This doesn't need to be anything. There we go. Okay. I think. Yes, good. Okay. Now that we can see the outline a little better, I want to see it even more. Let's double it again. Because, yeah, that's better for now. Because I want the outline to be white if it's being casted. And then gray if it's off cooldown or something. Okay, that border's too big though. I'm spending way too much time on something that will 100% change in the future. Okay. How do I actually change this? Here's the button. I mean, we just need something like I mean, I'd like to just tell the button to appear to be casting, or to appear to be on cooldown, or to appear to be ready. So function, I don't know. Appear ready. But that's set ready, maybe like set state. I mean, the word appear is fine. It's just kind of weird. Maybe set ready, set not ready is the terminology I'm going with, and then set casting. These are all, I mean, these are all state names though, aren't they? So, I mean, I feel like I should be able to just put the state into this. Godot is pretty weak typing. Yeah. That is true. You're doing all right? That's good. I'm doing really well. This week I've been pretty busy, but so far, but yeah, a couple of my devlogs, dude, are doing really, or have done really well. It's so weird. Like, devlog 4 and 6, they both did extremely well, and then at exactly 2,100 views, have just like stopped being served to anyone. It's weird. It's really weird. I kind of want to show you the graph. Here, check this out. I don't expect the tutorials I'm making because they're like evergreen content. But the devlog 6 and devlog 4. Let's look at this one first. So it like 2 days in, it just like took off. And then at 2,100 views, it like flatlined. It wasn't even like gradual. It just flatlined. And then, well, this is devlog 5. This is just, no one cares. And I think it's because of the topic, which was the topic I thought was cool. My tower weapons or whatever, artilleries. I didn't call it that though. It just goes over all 11. I called them tower weapons because that word actually makes sense to people, but I guess it's just not related. It's very specific to my game. Whereas AI, okay, where'd they all go? What the hell? They were... Okay, whatever. Whereas upgrading the tower AI, that's like more relatable, and the thumbnail is better in my opinion. I like this thumbnail, but and then this one, saving and loading in my roguelike tower defense, the same thing happened. Actually, more. Well, kind of. Now 1.5 days in, it just started taking off. And again, I think it's because of the title, right? It's like saving loading. It's more relatable. And then at 2,100 views, it just flatlines. And I don't know why, but like, it just like stopped showing it to people. I don't know. But regardless, I shouldn't like complain because I mean, having 2 of them like pop off is awesome, especially because I'm basically like changing the theme of the niche of my channel from dreams to Godot. So YouTube is probably confused, but yeah. So yeah, that's going well. It's been a really big motivation for me to keep going with this. YouTube sucks, monkey guy. No, Peace, what's wrong? How are you doing on YouTube, by the way? Peace, your video like was so good. Look at, dude, like it was so good. And you got, I mean, it was 9 months ago, but like it's literally your best video. I'm surprised you stopped, to be honest. It's a lot of work though. I've looked through the analytics a bit, but on what sourced most of the views? On the ones that popped off, it was just browse. I can show you really quick. I don't want to like honestly, I'll let you be like I'll give you access to my channel if you're curious. Cuz I don't care, but it's just like it's just recommending to people, right? So once it stops recommending it, I just don't know why it stopped. I think it stopped recommending because the click-through rate died or something. I don't... Okay, I'm not sure what I'm looking at right now. Yeah. Huh. This is like... Oh, God. I don't want to... This is stressing me out. But it's just weird. I feel like people stopped clicking it, so it stopped recommending it, kind of thing. They stopped serving impressions, or did the CTR plummet once it hit a larger audience? I think, yeah, I think it started sending it to different people, and it... Wait, what is... Click to... What is CTR? But like, I mean, these were the, like, look, it just stopped showing it to people. Like, these are the impressions. This is how many people have seen it. But so why did they stop showing it to people? I think it's because, where's click-through rate? Oh, that's what CTR is, click-through rate. That's what I'm literally looking for right now. I feel like the click-through rate started dropping off, so it stopped showing it to people. But like, it's so quick. Where the hell is click-through rate? It's probably interactions, right? Where's click-through rate? Is it that? I don't like this, though. This isn't... Oh. Oh. Oh, my bad. Okay, here we go. So yeah, look, right when it... Maybe, can we go back to views? Can we overlay views with... No, that's actually... Hold on. So 2.5. Exactly 2.5. But then... Yeah, all right. All right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it's like, look at that. It's like, oh, you've dropped below 4.5% click-through rate. Screw you, I guess. Fair enough, I guess. So yeah, less people are clicking it. All right. I mean, it was just weird. Like, I'm honestly super happy it happened again, to be completely honest. And that's not sarcasm. Like, that I got a second devlog that has popped off. And there's a theme, like AI, saving and loading. These are very, not broad, like relatable topics. A lot of people do this kind of thing, whereas not very many people are interested in my tower defense right now. So they don't care about the weapons, even though I think this is a very cool video. Although it might be a little... I mean, like, I go in depth, not super, I mean, it's 12 minutes long, so it's like a minute per weapon, which is not even that much, but I guess it is. Yeah, it's like anything related specifically to my game does horribly. But then, like, pathfinding, I bet you if the thumbnail was better, it would have gotten more views. I thought the thumbnail was cool, but it's a little too much going on. I think I should have, I mean, it's not too late. I should have done like a top-down thing with arrows instead, with like no goblins at all. Because it's a little too, I don't know what's going on. This did pretty well just because prototype finished is a very, what prototype? You know? My next one's going to be on the inventory, and I predict it's going to do as well as these. Because as long as because it's the freaking inventory. I mean, everyone wants to see a good inventory, you know? But, okay, enough of YouTube. Am I not subscribed to you? I'm sorry. I mean, you don't post, so me being subbed to you doesn't really do anything. You know what? Screw you, Peace. I'm not gonna say you don't post anything. Wait, but I want to know if you post something. Okay, there we go. Wow, that was a real roller coaster right there. Okay. Look at that. Anyway, what were we doing? Did someone say inventory? Yeah, right. My inventory though it's like as simple as possible. So there's no dragging and dropping. I think I have an inventory saved. Yeah, here. So there's no drag and dropping. It's just like you click things. So it's contextual. When you hover, the inventory right now, it's saying you can sell. If we go to a tower, I believe it'll say, yeah, equip, and it'll replace this one. Well, or it'll just error out because we're trying to replace it with the same thing. Oh no. Invalid call, non-existent function, equip item. Okay. I guess I haven't tried to do that. Global.tower.edit.menu.equip item. Global.tower, okay. Why is my tower edit menu? Yeah, it's a panel container, sure, but what's the issue? I think is it UI? Tower edit menu. That's a panel container. Oh, there is no equip item anymore. It's add. Okay, what is this? Wait, is there? Oh, it's equip item to menu now. I remember I had to split this. So yeah, before there was one function that did both of these things, but I needed to split it up because sometimes I needed to do only part of it. So it's equip item to menu. But I also need to equip it to the tower. I need to do both. Wait a second. I am so confused right now. Wait, so what happens if I just try to... Oh, but if I try to build a tower, that's completely different. That's the... I've literally just not tested overwriting the existing tower items. Okay. So, for example, if we try to craft a tower, this is completely different. Do I have an artillery? I guess I don't. To putting it here, which fair enough. Okay, can I get a mod? Because I know that works. Here we go, mod. Okay, so for example, as I was saying, the contextual inventory. If we hover, it just says sell. But if we hover while a tower is selected, it'll say equip or sell. So if we equip, here it is. It's not the same thing, by the way. So this is another thing. This item was not the same one that was here. All it is a resource being passed around. Which, if you don't know what that is, it's basically just information. It's that does not change, by the way. So I can't store data in this, which in hindsight might have been nice, but I just made the decision that I wouldn't have to do that. You know, so yeah, this is a very simple inventory. So here you'll see the context menu says remove, and then it adds it back to the inventory. And this has nothing because you can't do anything. And then in the shop, for example, we have buy, and this adds it to the inventory and destroys it from here. So that's my inventory. Yours is a lot more complex, but mine didn't need to be complex. You can filter and sort it, but like it doesn't need dragging and dropping. And in fact, that would just make the game harder to play. Just clicking on things is so much easier. And adding controller support, the player's going to have to click on things anyway. So you'll have a cursor and then you'll just select things. If there was drag and drop instead, it would be like, I don't even know how I'd implement that. So this works. There's items that have stacking. So Soul Harvester, for example. Every time this tower assists in killing, increase the item's damage, fire rate, and range by 1%. So if you remove this item, the stacks just disappear. Just all the data is just gone, which is fine. Now, like, what if for some reason I wanted to save data with the item? I can't. I just can't. So I hope this won't cause issues in the future, but okay. Anyway, I wanted to add, so we were working on the hero abilities. Ironically, we have not implemented a single one. Instead, we implemented the foundation for it. So these abilities are programmatically added. I would like to be able to change. I want some feedback, right? So when I press the number 1, it says here's some feedback, but I want it to like be white or something. The border to be white to show that I'm casting it, and maybe the background too. I don't know. So that's what I would like to do right now. The target device is definitely PC. Mac and Linux, hopefully. I don't see why not. And then consoles is like a stretch goal kind of thing. Sorry if I'm going to scroll back up. I don't want to miss any shot. Okay, I'm scrolling up real far, guys, so give me a second. You could animate a color rec to make it fill up or yeah, something like that. Definitely something like that. A progress bar, I'm thinking. But I'm just going to do, for now, because I don't give a shit, I'm just going to do a timer. I'm just going to do a countdown, rather, number counting down. Yeah. But yeah, so Rubber Duck Dev, I'm pretty sure it's the click-through rate that was slowly going down, and then they just like it crossed a threshold where like, all right, video's done. You know, we helped you enough, kind of thing. I don't know, but don't even look at that, just make videos. So the reason I want to look at it is because I want to know what works and what doesn't. And I found that, and it makes sense, right? Topics that are more relatable, that can be applied to more people, do better. People are more interested in it, right? They don't give a shit about my tower weapons. I mean, I think it's cool, but the thumbnail isn't cool enough. The thumbnail didn't look good enough for people to click it. So... But the doesn't matter what the thumbnail is when it says AI or when it says saving and loading or when it says inventory, I'm predicting, you know? Maybe not if people like or subscribe after watching it. That's definitely part of it. But I feel like the content is good enough. I think the content is good to where like if people click on it, they will at least watch a couple minutes of it. But maybe that's true. Maybe the watch time. It's the algorithm trying to bait me for my next 2,100 views. Literally, dude, if it happens 3 times in a row, seriously, that would be messed up. I don't know. We'll see. I think it's a coincidence because the first devlog, it was going up like in 3 days. And then the second one, it was like 1.5 days. Actually, so like even though they stopped at the same point, I just want to show this because it's pretty cool. With YouTube, you can compare... you can compare 2 videos. So that's what we're going to do. And this was the first peak. Look at this. We're actually... That's 2,000 views in a day. For my channel, that's pretty freaking good because it's been... I mean, that hasn't happened. What the fuck happened here? Wait, where's the... Okay, now I'm confused. Because I'm pretty sure... This was when I released a good, like a popular video, but... I'm so confused. Where was this? Where is this? This is 1,600 views in a day. I think. Right? Isn't that what that means? Why was that line not on the yearly line? I am so confused. Yeah, we're okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, sorry. Jesus Christ. Can I go to here? Yeah, content, and then I want to look at this video. I just care about the view. I just care about the views. No, that's. And then compare it with this video. So check this out. So I know they stopped at the same point, but this is why it's weird. This one happened like 2 times as fast. So this actually might mean that like, so here it's like trying to find my audience. Maybe this means it found it better. So it's like serving it to the same people. That, you know what, that actually would make sense. Here it's finding the people, and then here it like, it found it's given it to the same people. I don't know. Or similar types of people. Just quicker because of it used this video. Huh. I don't know. Making that money, hell yeah, dude. Next month you'll have free time. That's awesome. How about when you craft a tower and animation happens? I'm okay. Well, I mean, I don't want to spend time on an animation until I have the model, right? So, but yes, of course there will be stuff like that. Don't worry. Sculpt a sailboat for like a week. Oh no. What's the sailboat for? You're gonna go. Thanks for the stream. Good luck. Have fun. All right. See you later, XO. You probably aren't hearing this, but have a good night. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, the whole icon should turn pale when it's on cooldown. I agree. The CTR impression stuff is so out of your control. I mean, it's basically just better thumbnails, better titles, right? But yeah, thumbnail topic, sure. Part of your, yeah. It just needs to find the people, you know? And I've had a dreams channel for years. So it's kind of, I'm trying to break out of that, and it'll take a little bit, but I mean, it seems to have found some people, right? But you're right. It is out of my control. I mean, look, it took 1.5 and 2 days for it to find that group of people, you know? It's in the toilet at the moment. Yeah, wait, Vince, what? I mean, now this is just a YouTube stream now. How are you doing? 6 months? I feel that. Like, making videos for dreams is like making videos for a group of 3,000 people. But like, the community is so small. It's like, I'm just gonna say it's like a complete waste of time. It's just what it feels like. I know it's super helpful for the people who care, but like from our perspective, we could be in a niche that's not so niche, you know? I don't know. But like, obviously if you enjoy dreams, but like you can enjoy dreams without making the YouTube videos. Like, you know what I mean? Like, so what I mean is like helping people and okay, my stream is just crashing, I guess. That's awesome. Can you guys hear me?